Introducing the Utalent 8-speed power hand blender. Experience precise speed control with the 2-button soft turbo switch. And with the 8-speed dial, you can get the perfect mix each time. Make delicious homemade fruit and vegetable smoothies with the push of a button. Chopping onions has been made easier with the Utalent 8-speed power hand blender. Every blender comes with a BPA-Free blending cup and chopper. Puree peaches for natural and healthy food for your baby. With the whisk attachment, scrambling eggs is a breeze. The 4 ultra-sharp rotary blades were designed for your toughest tasks. And for easier mixing in deep stovetop pots, simply attach the extender and stir at the press of a button. The milk frother can be used to create a nice foamy touch to your favorite cup of coffee. For easy and convenient storage, simply use the built-in rubber grommet. For a premium performance, get the Utalent Kitchen Assistant today because you deserve it.
Experience powerful blending and chopping in the palm of your hand with the KitchenAid 5-speed hand blender. A powerful DC motor and the first ever interchangeable stainless steel bell blade assembly effortlessly blend, froth, whip, and chop everything from nuts to salsa with greater control. The splash guard increases airflow to prevent splashing, while the removable 8-inch stainless steel blending arm makes it easy to blend in deeper pots. And the first ever removable pan guard helps prevent scratching on cookware. Blend and store homemade baby food purees in the included 1-liter BPA-free pitcher with no splash lid. Premium performance, exceptional results. Legendary KitchenAid quality.